So setting a pin on your Samsung tablet is easy. All you have to do is just pull down the screen here and let's click on the settings icon, which is in the top right here. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll on down, keep scrolling to where it says security and privacy and click on that. And then here you see the option for setting the lock screen. So let's go ahead and click on lock screen. Let's click on screen lock, and then here you have a whole different type of screen locks that you can choose. You can choose PIN, password, etc. For this video, we are going to select PIN. And then all we have to do is just go ahead and select a 6-digit PIN here. So we're just going to go ahead and do that right now. Continue, and then we're going to go ahead and enter it one more time. And just like that, we have our PIN set. Now, if you want to go ahead and remove it, let's come on back down here to where it says security and privacy. So click on lock screen, click on screen lock. Now we have to enter the PIN that we just selected. And then all we have to do is select none here. Click on none, and then that removes your lock screen. So that is how you easily do it on your Samsung tablet.